start back on it. Let's go. I am sad, baby. I'm a father. That's so me. So hello guys, it's Salvini and I'm back for another video. So this will just be like a salon tour, okay? Because you never know how life is, right? It can just change with a twinkle of an eye. So let's see. So this is, I've been doing all your videos, but I just wanted to show you guys what the studio looks like. So this is what my studio looks like. Now this is where I do the editing of your videos, all the videos. This is my editing, and that is my true period for my part, guys. I have to, right? So this is where I have my color tray. Yes, guys. This mannequin, as a hairstylist, you should have a mannequin, and those are my extra stuff, right? Yeah, that's what I give to my guests. Yes, it's always Fiji water. Fiji water all the way. So this is my retail bar. I am a unisex stylist, so. As such, I cater to my men and my women. Yes. And my blow dryer is the Amica blow dryer. Then you have to have your sanitation in here. And we have this. So I love Paris, that's why you see that I get out some of my credentials, etc. So I always have this at the studio. This is what happens in the sun. So that's my body here. I'm trying to see. I'll show you guys the other side of the wall. Yeah. So this is pretty much one side of the wall. So this is where I put my developers. I'm certified in 7 different color lines, so I have my developers and everything in here. I use Commission and I use guides and my identity. So these are where I put the developers. Then I also use the Roxy color line, and of course I have my Wella, and Olaplex is my best friend. So yeah, I have that. Then I have, this is my extra, I also do eyebrow wax, so I have my stuff in there for my eyebrow wax, my colors and everything. You see, I mean, crazy hairstyle. So yes, you guys have seen that on my identity, like as I have. And I have this power warmer. So this is where I have my refrigerator. Let's see what's in the refrigerator. So that's of course pineapples, guys. I'm vegetarian, vegan, so my Fiji water for my guests, my lollipops for my kids. Yeah. And then of course you have your hamper. My hamper is made of wood, so I'm a trash can. Then that's my eyebrow wax. So this is where you guys see, this is the wall you see, that's the wall. You see those are very two important statements for me that I live by every day. And gives me hope. These are just extra stuff that I bought for a friend and she will come and pick them up. And this is where I have my extra stuff like my sanitizers and all that stuff. I try to make it work, guys. You see, I try to make it work, guys. I have to. So over here I have my trimmer, so my nails, my trimmers, my razors and all that stuff. And of course my severe case for my shears.
Stranger to the dark, hide away, they say, as we don't want your broken parts. I've learned to be ashamed of all my scars. Run away, they say, no one will love you.
For the hair, yeah. So I've cut all the plates, and whenever I do the hair, this is what I do. I take this just make sure I spray them really well. I have most of these guys, so I cannot help it. So this is what I use in doing all the fades on my mane and all that.
I am brave, I am bruised, I am who I'm meant to be. This is me. Look out, 'cause here I come. And I'm marching on to the beat I drum. I'm not scared to be seen.
This is the best part for me, guys. I'm excited because this is the part I love the most. I know you guys love this other side that I use for the videos, but this is the best side for me. This side speaks to about my heart inside so much. So I have this curtain that has a Paris sign. You must have seen some of it in some of my videos. But this is the best part for me in this studio. This. Now when people ask me what do I think about myself, how do you describe me, you know, how do you describe me, what speaks to me as a person, this is the best one. That says it all. So if you can read into this picture, then you know who I am. Okay? And then I have this. Yeah, I had to have a team that works with my studio. So I have these magazines for my guests, the white and black chair. I know. So I've been here for 1 year plus now, 1 year and some days, and that is my clock. I know you can see I'm the present hair service, and that's my ring light that I use for my videos, and my dryer is over there. And then I've already shown you guys this side. So yes, this is how my setup is. I use the ring light, and then behind there I have my stand and all those stuff there. And then my camera is always in this bag. You guys enjoyed that. So what's this? Oh my god, there's something else I should show you guys. Yeah, so this area I have my foils. I'm a balayage artist, so I have to have my balayage wraps. Band-aids, of course, when I'm doing the haircuts for the men, so I don't cut myself off. And I use this serious gloves because it's more protective for me and my guests. And yes, my bowls are all in here. When I do the rainbow colors, I need about 5 to 10 bowls. And these are my brushes, yeah, because they're ceramic and the technology.
Look out, 'cause here I, look out, 'cause here I come. Marching on, marching on.
Nice and cool. Shampoos, yeah, I have about 4. I have a umbrella, so I use one hand, pour the shelf, my identity, and colors and stuff, and my music stuff. Yeah, I wanted to show you guys that, yeah. Oh, this is my, yeah, okay. My coffee jar, I never drink coffee, so good luck. So it's just for fancy, guys. It's just for fancy, that's just for fancy, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this stuff. So today, this is what I'm just giving. Yeah. Yeah. So today, I hope you guys enjoyed that. So with me, I can't wait to see you guys soon in another video. Yes, for Salvity and love size again. Bye, guys.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all.